Hi there, my name's Wes and I'm from the UK. I'm a native English speaker, and although I don't speak any other languages myself, I currently live in the Philippines and I have a newfound appreciation for people that want to learn a new language. So, if that's you, I'd love to help support you on that journey to fluency. I really enjoy teaching because I love watching people upskill, gain confidence, and open up new doors in both business and life. My background is quite varied. However, entrepreneurialism is where I really shine. I founded 4 companies in the UK and I'm currently building another now that I'm here in the Philippines. That means that I can bring real world business experiences into our lessons, especially for the students that are inspired to follow in the same path. I enjoy working with adults the most as I find it rewarding to share my knowledge and life experiences, all while helping to improve their English through a natural conversation. So, if you're looking for calm, relaxed, and real world English lessons with someone who understands both business and life experiences, book a lesson with me and let's start making progress together. I'll see you soon.